It's hard to say my gray percentage because I've been coloring my hair for so long, but when I see it grow out, I would estimate it's probably about 25%. I never feel bad for covering my grays. I think everybody remembers the first time they found their gray hair. For me, I was on a road trip with my mom, and she was driving, and I was looking out the window and kind of playing with my hair and pulled down a section of my hair and found not a gray hair, but a white hair, and just thought, first of all, panic because I was 16 or 17, and I also thought, okay, here we go. I discovered eSalon sort of in its infancy now that I know more about the company and how long it's been around. And so I thought I would give it a try, and it was perfect out of the box. I actually haven't had much of a journey. I've stuck with what that original color was because it was right from the get-go. When I freshly colored my hair with eSalon color, I feel like myself again. I think I naturally look younger than I am, but my gray hairs age me, both in physical appearance and I think mindset, so I feel young and vibrant in me.